Today is the day. After almost 400 videos, Captain Dio is going to go out on his first maiden test drive. I haven't started it up yet. I want to show you what I'm doing, so if any of you other people are out there that do these with the little bikes, I do the same routine every year when I build the bikes. The brakes are kind of loose, which is fine. I'm not going that far. I'm looking for leaks. I'm looking for overheating. I'm looking for the biggest thing that I'm going to look for when I go out in a speed run. Speed runs are different because you got your fat ass on the bike and it's under load. What I'm going to be looking for is the carburetor. Either the carburetor will go full strong, neck snapping throughout its low, medium, and high phase, and I mean neck snapping, that's where you want it, or it won't. What usually happens is when you get on the bike and you ride it, you want to listen really close if it goes wah or it goes wah. Those are, I know you're going to do the same thing. Well, it is. One of them means you have too much gas going into the engine and it's flooding it. The other boah means that at higher speeds or whenever, your engine is leaning out and starving, and it'll just slow down. So I've got things hooked up. I hope the speedometer works. I hope everything works. I'm going to take my camera on this little journey. First thing I have to do, of course, is start the bike up. I'm running 50 to 1, I think like Socoline in it, because I couldn't find any of my all-natural Bel-Ray crap. So that's what I'm doing. I want to make sure the gauges work. And hopefully with the temperature, which it is going a little bit higher than normal, I think if I take it out for a speed run and put some real pressure in the radiator lines, that it'll blow all that oxygen or spare air out of it. So I'm going to get it started, and once it gets warmed up, we'll go from there. I'll see if I can keep the camera in my hand. Of course, it may be a very short trip if it doesn't start working right, which if it works totally perfect, then there's something wrong. I'll probably tear the whole thing down and not run it again because it's haunted. All right.